Hello friends, so I'm going to explain how I made this awesome looking clock. It even has a stand. So these are movable, and I wrote so my name is Nora, but instead of no H, I have a H. And I'm 7 years old, and the date is 2020. And first I painted the background blue. Then I had some
How about
white.
the cardboard?
The cardboard, it was brown, so I had to paint it on the front so it wouldn't look ugly. So I painted it whole blue. Then I had some white mixed with some blue there. Then I made a core and then some sand all. So that's where the beach is.
So what's the theme? What is the theme of the clock?
So it's at the beach. And like, if you can see, two of the animals in the ocean has a hat, like this whale and a shark. It looks more gray on the whale, right? So there's some crabs here.
So how did you?
I took some wires and wrapped it around the old foil.
Can you please show what you did?
So I took some wires, pierced it into the back, and then
What are these? How did you make it so silvery?
with foil, old foil.
Very nice.
So I had some details, like, see this cute octopus? They're like all going in a line here.
Nice.
Here. And there's some turtles getting into the water.
Why is there a sellotape here?
Because the paint I wanted to do it very fast. So I put sellotape, and it's much easier to write on sellotape.
Very nice. That's really good thinking.
They can move.
Yeah. Cool. It's an amazing job for a first standard.
And I wrote clock up there. There's a crab walking on the beach, and the 12 and 11 are playing in the sand. 10 is trying to get up there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 are playing in the water. And 1 is back here looking at the turtle. So bye. I hope you like this excellent clock review.